Hi friends, welcome back. I'm chewing gum if you see it, but I'm trying not to, be chewing like a goat and making you see all the insides of my mouth. But welcome back to the Francescan Disorder. And if you've just bumped into me and my shiny face for the first time, please consider being a friend by subscribing. So we're just on our way now to the, where are we going? Pumpkin patch. Forgot for a second. We're going to the pumpkin patch. Or we're going to attempt to go to the pumpkin patch today. I say attempt because you should see the weather. It's raining, and it's not even, like it could be raining and just be okay, manageable. It's not pretty. It's not pretty outside at all. I don't even think the pumpkin patch people want to have any guests in this sort of weather. It's very, very terrible outside. I'll show you when we get outside. But yeah, today's video, we're trying to go to the pumpkin patch. Let me see if I can get some pumpkins or carve something for Halloween. I was going to say for Vlogtober, but it's for Halloween. So yeah, but it's still going to come into Vlogtober because Halloween is in Halloween is in October. So anyway, this is us on our way to the pumpkin patch. Because of the rain, I should have worn like Wellington boots or anything, something like that, like Wellington boots, but I don't have it. I have no wellies, but I've tried. The closest I have to wellies are this. Okay, let me go back so you see. They can still see it. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day when I go outside. But yeah, like is a pumpkin patch. It's going to be muddy, so that's already an expectation. So I'm going to wear my raincoats, and then I'm going to nothing else. I'm still looking at the weather outside. It's so windy. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's still going to rain tomorrow, and Halloween is just next weekend. So if we don't do it today, we'll never be able to do it anymore. So it's gonna happen today. What else? Nothing. I'm just introducing the video. I have no wellies, so I'm going to a pumpkin patch on a rainy day, underprepared as far as dressing goes. So do you want to come and show my outfits, my shoes particularly?
Okay.
You can show everything if you like, but the important thing is my shoes. I'm gonna get a raincoat now. Alright then. So yeah. Thank you. So that's what I'm going to be wearing to the pumpkin patch. Oh my, let's go. I'm ready.
Okay. I thought you were talking to your friends.
Yeah, but I'm pretty much ready. I was just doing. Alright, I'll see you on my way there. Or so we've just come outside now. Look at the weather. Talk about one person being unprepared at all and the other being overprepared. Look at my husband in his complete raincoat. I mean, he doesn't have a pair of wellies on, but he's more prepared than I would have ever been. Oh my god, it's raining! I can't come out! Shall we go back inside?
Why?
Because it's too rainy. The pumpkin patch will not even work.
You said you wanted to go today.
Yeah, there's no other day to go though.
Well, what do you want to do? It's up to you.
Let's give it a go.
Okay.
Maybe plans are going to fail again today, but we tried. It's so windy. mean, look at the weather. Who goes out to a pumpkin patch in this sort of thing? Francesca with her husband, her long-suffering husband. Are you long-suffering? You are? Jesus Christ, you couldn't even say no. My God! Embarrass me. I think there's like a cycling thing going on, cycling marathon, something like that, because I've seen two cyclists, we've passed two cyclists and there are more in front. But I wonder how these people can be cycling in the rain. Just hang on, you'll see them. I'll never do this, never. That's one. Just past that one. That one there past, and then there's another one. I'm sure there'll be more up the road as well, but yeah, I think there's some sort of cycling sports competition going on. But hey, even if I entered this sort of thing and it was raining, I'll just sit at home and sleep.
Recalculation. Turn left. Route recalculation. Take the next left.
Hiya, you alright?
Yeah, very low slope. We'll get you down to the front because it seems to be a bit further down
Okay.
there than this
All right.
side to the left.
Thank you.
Lovely day.
Ooh, it's a muddy field, and my husband is not happy about this at all. Look, that's how I should have dressed.
Right.
In wellies like that.
Okay.
Not sure why. I thought it would be a good day to come to a pumpkin patch, but then there's no other day. So it's not just me, it's just the fact that this had to be done today if we wanted to do it at all. So yeah, here we are now. Yes, they do take card payments. What? The tiny one, don't we? We have a tiny house. Yeah. Or tiny ones. No. That's too big. Yeah, smaller than that. Look, it's a big field of pumpkins. It's raining. See how wet I am. You like that one? Take it then. Is it good enough? Do you like it? Is it good? See. Alright then. Yeah. We might find a small one. Let's just keep looking. What? So, basically, this is just us trying to see if we can find better pumpkins. That's much up there. But yeah, we're trying to see if we can find better pumpkins. I think it's no, it's bad. I thought I saw one I liked, but it's bad. Let's see. Yeah. We have some in our wheelbarrow already. Oh my god, everywhere is so sticky. Look, I found one. This one. This one. Yeah. It's also sticky. pumpkin patch trip. But I'm happy. I liked it. And we're just making our way home through the New Forest now in very nice autumn scenery. I was going to say scenery. Yeah, we're going to... I'm hungry. That's what's happening right now because I've not had lunch. What time is it? Past 3, nearly 3:30, and I've not had lunch. But you know, I had fun at the pumpkin patch. It's such a shame that it was raining, but still I had fun. I'm going to show you the scenery that we're going home in now. Like, it's rainy, but it's still beautiful. It's still lovely. So enjoy my scenery as I say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another Vlogtober video. Oh my god, we're coming to the end of Vlogtober. Guess what? I'm not loving it. Like, I'm happy that I'm not going to be editing every day, but I feel like I'm going to miss this Vlogtober because I had fun with it. I'm still having fun with it. Who knows where it's going to end and how it's going to end. But anyway, I'm going to say goodbye now and just enjoy my scenery as I go. Bye.